Morning, everybody.
Morning. It's that day again.
It's that day where I put holes in there, and there, and there, and hopefully they're square.
Level. Especially on back door.
Square. So stick along, guys. Watch the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notifications.
Give us a thumbs up.
Give us that thumbs up. Don't forget the thumbs up. At the moment, we think it's dry enough. No excuses. Holes in the van today.
Much later.
We just spent a good hour marking out. Remember our new rules. Measure 74 times, cut once. So we've gone from this, all these lines, but you've got to make sure that it looks okay on the outside. So obviously there, we'll go down to this line here. Look, where's my finger gone? To that line there. So I've got to go all along here. As long as I remember to go on the lower lines. To here. This bottom line. Jigsaw that out. And then this one was piece of cake. Because we had the measurements from that one. The doors look okay on the outside, don't they?
Yeah, they do, yeah.
Doors look okay on the outside. We measured it from this side, flipped it round, made the measurements. Another tip, if you're going to use a pen to mark on the outside of a van, don't use permanent. Oh, is that me?
I'll mention no names.
I've got a feeling I'm just semi-permanent at the moment. So we're going to get some holes drilled in. We'll do one at a time, just in case we run out of time. But we're going to get the messy one out of the way first.
Yeah, I think so.
So we're going to get some holes drilled, some jigsaw doing, open it out a bit, look at it and think, what the hell was that? Yeah. No, we're confident.
Yeah, no, we're confident. We're really confident.
What could possibly go wrong? Let's count my fingers first.
Count your fingers and get your money out at bank for a new window that fits the hole that we've cut big enough.
Count my blessings. I've got the voice of reason. You sure you want windows?
Here we go. Perfect. If you can see them. Happy? Let's crack on. Oh.
There's a little tip from this might be right, completely wrong from my point of view. Because the jigsaw fouls there and I'm left-handed, I put a hole there and a hole there, and then I've only got to go that way and I can still do it left-handed. Enough room that way. Tip for the day. I might scrub this bit out if that's wrong, but probably.
We'll try to walk again.
Another tip from the people that don't know what they're doing. That says two. That's me. I'm going to put some tape across there, so when I cut across here, it's not flopping over. You can have that for note. And there we have it. Window hole number 1.
One eternity later.
So we've trimmed it, kept trimming it, kept trimming it, kept trimming it. Now the window goes in, didn't it?
It does. Yeah, it took us a long time, but...
Yeah, but we'd rather do it small
yeah,
and then
too
edge away
small.
up. And we've measured it, put it in, measured it, and it's still square on the outside. Believe it or not, that is a rectangular hole. Do not adjust your TV set. So now I've sanded it, I filed it down, got rid of all the edges. Got rid of all the edges on all the loose bits. So we're going to give it a wipe down now. Red oxide these edges. And I get the primer on. Ready for some gunk.
Yep. Thank God that's over.
Oh, window's not in yet.
No.
Plenty to go wrong.
Most important thing is the cut edge where the paint's going and the outside where the gunk's going. So I'm going to leave it.
You didn't see the look Dean just gave me. I laughed. Put my laugh in my own hands. It's drying already. Check that outside.
Okay. Yep.
The red oxide's gone off. So we're going to prime where the sealant's going.
That's going to dribble.
Yeah. So we're going to gunk the window. So it's going up to there. So I'm going to gunk inside this valley here. That's the framing. Screwed all the way through to the window frame on the outside, so it pulls it together. The next step is the frame from the inside. Window 1 done. Window 2 incoming. Come on, hands look. That's some black sealant from yesterday. Oh, look who's coming. Hello.
Morning! Again?
Round 2. I'm just showing him my fingers.
Oh dear, from yesterday. I found these gloves, but I think they'll be a bit too big.
Yeah, yesterday we didn't wear gloves. Today we've decided to wear gloves. Hindsight's a wonderful thing.
No, getting covered in black is not a wonderful thing.
I had to wear my gloves for football yesterday. I'm going to take them off when I get there, but not that day.
Not
Right,
yesterday. No.
number 2.
Yes, let's go.
Do you want to tell them where we got the windows from?
Well, we did say this was going to be a bargain and on a budget conversion. So I scoured the internet, found a make of a window which is sold on eBay. I also found that this make is sold on Temu. So I had a look at the prices on eBay, and for the window that we've bought, it was £149 each. In Temu, it was £64.25. So we've taken a chance, but it is the same make. So they sell like hotcakes on eBay. So we've given Temu a chance. So fingers crossed. They are the same. They are the same make. So we've given it a shot. So £125, £126 for 2 windows, as opposed to £149 for one.
If I remember, we'll put a link in the description. Yeah. Right, let's make some holes. Or another one.
One hot dog, please. Cup of tea and a burger.
Mine.
You can have that bit. Well, that's that one done.
Put tape on the top to stop it popping.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Thanks. I've got to go into the van now to get that. We've not made too bad a job with 3 millat on one, but this is the finished results, and you've got your little blind,
Got your fly blind.
and your normal blind, and then these open outwards. Shut that up, and you can have them half and half.
Feel nice and solid, don't they, for the price
Yeah, they are.
paid?
Yeah. But like I say, they're on eBay. It was either 145 or 149 each, and these were 64.
Come here.
So,
Right, that's this. We've done enough this weekend, haven't we?
yes.
We're happy with what we got, so we'll let them go off for a couple of days, and I'll chuck a bottle of water at them. Stop playing with them.
Up, down.
We'll chuck a bottle of water, bucket of water at them, and see if they leak. But yeah, we did this one yesterday, and it rained yesterday afternoon, and it was all right. So this one here, we did this morning. This one was a lot easier, would you believe? Just a bit of tweaking with the file to get it in, just make it small, open it out, job done. So that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Hope you found it interesting. Hope you found it useful. Hope you might grab a bargain out there, do a bit that extra bit of time shopping and scooting around looking for bargains.
Yeah. I have to look for a bargain. Like we say, we're doing it on a budget, so it's not a case of just we'll have that window and order it. It's got to be the right price as to do the whole thing, because we lost our other one so quickly. So
I'm going to spend the afternoon scrubbing my hands. Busy week next week at work. So that's it for this week. Hope you like, subscribe, hit the notifications, share us about,
give us a thumbs
leave a
up.
comment, all that sort of stuff. Let's get these algorithms going. Let's get these out there. Who's he pipping at? Always saying bye. And he says bye as well. Catch you next week, guys. You take care. Ta-ra.
Bye.
Did you get the thumbs up?
Yes, I
Oh,
did.
all right.
She was talking over the top of me, so yeah.
She's off.